Today we are taking a close look at the ElecKeys Cordless vacuum that the team very kindly sent out to us to test. Right out of the box, this has all the accessories you need for a really good clean, with 4 different brush attachments to handle those ceilings, tight corners, your sofa and cars. Storing and charging is also really simple with the included wall mount charging system. One of the first things you'll notice is the design is seriously lightweight as well. It is just 3 kilos, so it's truly effortless for one-handed use for those ceilings and high up areas, making it really easy. But don't let that wait for you. This machine packs a serious punch. It has a 550 watt brushless motor and gives a really good supreme clean. It works on both flat floors and deep carpets really easily. And it also has the integrated LED touch display, which is a really great feature, giving you real-time information on battery life, your current suction mode, and even alerting you to any blockages. It comes with a high capacity detachable battery, offering up to 65 minutes of runtime on full charge. The design is highly user friendly. Not only is it self-standing on flat surfaces, which is hugely convenient, it also features a telescopic pole for adjustable height. The floor head is engineered for pet owners and those with long hair, as it features an anti-tangle V roller brush to minimise hair wraparound. For allergy sufferers, this has a 7-stage efficiency filtration system that intercepts particles of dust, pollen, even bacteria. The integrated LED green spotlight on the floor head reveals invisible dust, dirt, to ensure that you don't miss any little spots. It truly is a wonderful functional cleaner, perfect for homes of all sizes. We've had a fantastic experience using this vacuum. It's been really efficient and did a fantastic job. Thank you so much again to the team for sending it out to us. Really do appreciate it, and we really do recommend it.